Open source technology has enabled the tech industry to creatively use, build, connect, and innovate. Can you imagine a modern tech stack without open source projects like Linux, Kubernetes, Kafka, Python, ElasticSearch, NGINX, Redis, and numerous others? In November 2002, Ivan Ristić, an English engineer, released a module for monitoring application traffic for Apache HTTP Server, known as ModSecurity. A few years later, the module was released under an open-source license, and together with OWASP core rule set, a set of signatures for detecting web exploits, became the cornerstone of the entire WAF industry. 20 years later, many vendors including Imperva, AWS, Microsoft, Akamai, F5 NGINX, and others are still providing WAF products based on ModSecurity concepts, signatures, and even code. In the next parts of this series, we will talk about the opportunity to modernize the 20-years-old approach of protecting web apps and APIs to address today's fast-evolving attack landscape and DevOps needs while keeping the benefits of open source. Thank you and stay tuned.